Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the AULA F99 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard, silent version, please note that the link to purchase this keyboard at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This versatile keyboard offers a compelling blend of functionality, customization, and quiet performance, making it a strong contender for both gamers and professionals. The AULA F99 Pro stands out with its tri-mode connectivity, supporting Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired connections. This flexibility allows you to seamlessly switch between up to 5 devices using simple FN key combinations or a dedicated side button. Whether you're working on a PC, gaming on a console, or typing on a tablet or mobile phone, this keyboard adapts effortlessly to your setup. One of the most attractive features is its hot-swappable design. The package includes both keycap and switch pullers, enabling users to customize their typing experience without the hassle of soldering. The silent, pre-lubed linear switches deliver a smooth, quiet keystroke that reduces noise significantly, making it ideal for office environments or late-night gaming sessions. The keyboard's build quality is enhanced by a gasket-mounted structure and PCB single-key slotting, which together provide a soft, elastic feel under your fingers. The extended silicone pads and multi-layer filling act as silencers to minimize cavity noise, giving the keyboard a solid and premium tactile feedback. RGB backlighting adds a vibrant aesthetic that can be customized to suit your style or mood, enhancing the overall gaming or working environment. Pros: multi-device tri-mode connectivity, BT5.0, 2.4 GHz, USB-C. Hot-swappable switches and keycaps for easy customization. Pre-lubed silent linear switches ideal for quiet typing. Gasket structure with noise dampening for enhanced comfort and stability. Supports up to 5 device connections with easy switching. Vibrant RGB backlighting with customization options. Cons: the white color scheme, while stylish, might show dirt or wear more easily over time. Some users may prefer tactile or clicky switches over linear silent ones. Software customization options for RGB and key mapping might be limited compared to premium brands overall. The AULA F99 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard silent version is an excellent choice for users looking for a quiet, versatile, and customizable keyboard that fits a variety of devices and environments. Don't forget, the discounted purchase link is pinned in the first comment below. Grab yours while the deal lasts.